Dipersilahkan.
Speech in English by Hilda Pratama, guided by Mrs. Agustriana, SPD. Please welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Head of Gunung Muria Vocational High School, Mr. Mujibur Rahman SP. What I respect, Mr. and Mrs. Teacher of Gunung Muria Vocational High School, as well as what I am proud of, all of my beloved friends from Gunung Muria Vocational High School. We thank God for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because we are still giving the opportunity to gather in this field in good heart without any shortcomings. Thank you for the opportunity given to me to be able to give a word or two at this time. Ladies and gentlemen, every year we hold a farewell party for our senior students a couple of weeks before their graduation. Have you ever asked yourself, why do we hold it before their graduation? Why not later? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. The essential meaning of the event itself. This farewell party is a family event, and we are family. This event is not about the dance or music performance. This event is about appreciating the chance that we have to gather around together for maybe the last time. I don't know what will happen tomorrow, but I know what will happen in the next 5 or 10 years. Some of you might already be somebody of your dreams, living so far from this place. Some of you might still struggle with your dreams, fighting so hard to achieve it. But I do know one thing, that our prayers will always be with you, that we always hoping for the best for you because you are family. I think that's all I could convey to everyone here. I'm sorry for more and less and all of mistake in my words. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.